Hi, I'm Neelam and I'm one of the healthcare assistants at Page Hall Medical Centre. Today I just wanted to make a quick video explaining the confusion around face coverings. As of now, you must wear face coverings. This includes medical face masks, cloth face masks, burqas or niqabs. This is whenever you use public transport or enter hospitals. Here at Page Hall, we ask you all to wear a face mask when entering the surgery. As of the 24th of July, it's compulsory to wear a face covering in any shop, such as the supermarkets, the clothes shops or jewellery shops. This is required by the law, and with not wearing a face covering, you could be fined up to £100. There are some exceptions. Children under 3 should not wear face masks. You also do not have to wear a face mask if you have a disability or a legitimate reason not to. Children under 11 do not have to wear a face mask, but we do advise, if you can, do. For further information, click the link below and it'll take you straight to the government website. We highly recommend you stick to the rules to stop the spread of coronavirus. This will help protect the local community and the most vulnerable. It is important to remember face coverings do not replace social distancing or hand washing. You should still keep 2 meters apart when possible. Also, they do not replace the need to self-isolate if you or anyone have been in contact shows symptoms of COVID-19. You can buy face masks from your local shops, online or pharmacies. You can also make your own by using your own material or old clothes. Click the link below, which will take you to the government website, which will help you how to make your own. Thank you for watching this video.